Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining. I've come to Cape Town for a family weekend. We're here for a wedding, but there's so many stuff to do in Cape Town, so I'm going to show you around, see what you can do if you're ever here. It's a beautiful city. You will love it. Nestled between the mountains and the sea, Hermanus is a charming coastal town that offers visitors a unique blend of natural beauty, history, and culture. While it's known primarily for its whale watching season, which runs from June to November, there's so much more to discover here. One of the town's top attractions is the Whale Museum, located in the heart of Hermanus. This museum offers a fascinating look at the history of those magnificent creatures and their long-standing relationship with the town. From the whaling industry that dominated the town's economy for much of the 20th century to the conservation efforts that have helped revive the local whale population, the Whale Museum provides a comprehensive look at the complex history of whales in Hermanus. Of course, no visit to Hermanus would be complete without spending time exploring its stunning coastline. The town's cliff path is a particularly popular destination for visitors, offering panoramic views of Walker Bay and plenty of opportunities for wildlife spotting, with rugged cliffs and sparkling turquoise waters that stretch for miles. There are several scenic walking paths that wind along the coast, offering visitors the chance to take in the stunning views and spot local wildlife, such as whales, dolphins, and seals, and even a dussie. Grotto Beach is a stunningly beautiful and pristine beach located in Hermanus with its white sand, clear turquoise waters, and stunning views of the mountains in the distance. When it comes to food, Hermanus is a true foodie destination. Whether you're in the mood for seafood, artisanal cheeses, or gourmet cuisine, you'll find plenty of options to satisfy your cravings. For a truly unique dining experience, be sure to check out Bintang's Cave. This restaurant is situated in a secluded cove right on the beach, offering breathtaking views and a creative cocktail menu. Another must-visit restaurant is Charred, which offers upscale cuisine in a sophisticated setting. With their on-site master butchery, meat is aged in different fashions, both dry and wet. The salt ionizes the air, and that's where they lost me. All I know is the steak tasting plate was out of this world good. And who doesn't love a crispy chip and cheeky onion ring? The Hermanus food scene has no shortcomings and has a place to suit everyone's palate and wallet. This wine bar is particularly popular to just sit, relax, and take a load off. Beyond food and natural beauty, Hermanus also has a rich history that is well worth exploring. The town's war memorial, located in the center of town, is a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by those who fought for their country. The monument is particularly impressive at sunset, when its silhouette is backlit by the setting sun. The waterfront complex in Hermanus is a hub of activity, with plenty of shops, restaurants, and entertainment options for visitors to enjoy. Spend some time here, see if you can find a little gem for yourself, and support the local creators. There are also several art galleries showcasing the work of local artists, as well as regular markets and events that take place throughout the year. The complex is a popular spot for both tourists and locals and offers a fun and lively atmosphere all year round. There is also plenty of art on display throughout Hermanus, with several galleries and public installations showcasing the work of local artists, from colorful murals and sculptures to contemporary paintings and photography. There is no shortage of creative expression in this vibrant town. Visitors can easily spend hours exploring the various galleries and exhibitions and soaking up the rich cultural atmosphere that Hermanus has to offer. Overall, Hermanus is a beautiful and culturally rich town that offers visitors a chance to experience the best of South Africa's natural beauty, history and art scene. Whether you're interested in scenic walks, shopping and dining, or exploring the local art scene, there's something for everyone to enjoy in this charming seaside town. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Bye!